Hi, I'm Kristie Sullivan and welcome to Diet Doctor Explores, where today we're going to talk about keto or low-carb ice cream. Now, if you've tried to make homemade keto ice cream before, maybe you got results that weren't quite that creamy, scoopable consistency that we love from traditional ice cream. Well, there are a couple of tips to get that consistency. First, it's typically the sweetener. If you're using erythritol or an erythritol blend, then it's probably going to come from the freezer hard as a rock. Like you could chisel it out of the container. That's the erythritol. Even adding a shot of vodka or some other alcohol generally doesn't help to overcome the erythritol. But you do have a couple of options. First, the simplest thing is to just be patient. Let it sit at room temperature for 5 to 10 minutes, and then you should be able to scoop it out of the freezer container. The other option is to use a different sweetener, such as xylitol. Xylitol gives a wonderful scoopable texture that's creamy and luscious. Now, there are some pros and cons to xylitol, and you can learn all about those in the Diet Doctor Sweetener Guide, where we talk about the benefits of using erythritol, xylitol, and the cons as well. If you have pets, such as dogs or cats, you might want to avoid using xylitol because while it's safe for humans, it isn't safe for pets. Another tip to getting a great texture from your ice cream is to use eggs. Particularly yolks give a really nice consistency when you start with a custard base. So you're going to separate your eggs and your yolks, and you're going to simmer your heavy cream. You add the yolks into that and whisk. Now that can be really intimidating for some people, particularly if you get it too warm and the eggs begin to cook a little bit. No worries. If you make that mistake, simply strain the mixture through a fine wire mesh or cheesecloth, toss away any cooked bits, and then you still are going to have a great creamy ice cream to put in the freezer. Now, we love ice cream too, so we put together a collection at Diet Doctor of our favorite ice cream recipes. We have dairy-free, we have vegan, we even have ice cream recipes that you can make without an ice cream freezer. In fact, you can customize it so everybody in the family has their own flavor. So head over to Diet Doctor, check out the ice cream collection, and lots of other tips and tricks for having yummy, wonderful, creamy ice cream that everybody in the family can enjoy.